I'm Dr. Lisa Goodman with Dr. Chris Dorsa. We're going to show you a couple of exercises to do when your low back is really acute. So we're going to start with Chris laying on his back, knees bent, feet on the floor. These are called pelvic tilts. So he's going to rock his pelvis up and down, bringing his low back down to the ground, pressing into it, and then arching it away. And you're going to repeat this about 10 times, slowly, only without pain. Okay, from here he's going to do a hip bridge. So he's just going to press his feet into the ground and lift his pelvis up. You're going to do this again within your comfort zone, up and down, about 10 times. After this, we're going to roll onto your stomach. Perfect. And we're going to do actually a hands and knees position. We're going to show a cat-cow. So here he's going to bring his low back up high and his head down. We're going to press this into your comfort zone again and sag that belly and lift the head up. And this should be a nice pumping feeling in the low back. After about 10 reps of that, go ahead and sit on your heels into a child's pose. This is a resting pose, so hold this for about 30 seconds or as long as is comfortable. Last thing that can really help a low back get better quickly is laying flat on your stomach. We're going to do a little Cobra, so just onto your elbows. We're going to feel this nice little compression in the low back. Make sure to check out some of our other videos for active rehab.